Ready to master digital marketing and take your clinic to the next level? Whether you're a chiropractor, physical therapist, acupuncturist, or wellness practitioner, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Clinic Marketing Podcast, where we unlock the secrets to attracting more patients and growing your practice. From SEO and website design to social media strategies and the latest in AI, we bring you actionable tips to amplify your online presence, connect with your ideal audience, and outshine the competition. Tune in to stay ahead of the curve and outshine your competition.
Hello and welcome to the Clinic Marketing Podcast. I'm your host, Darcy Sullivan with Propel Marketing and Design. Today we're diving into one of our most visited blog posts on our website, which goes into detail about how to write a professional chiropractic bio. Now stick around because I am sharing tips to help you craft a standout bio and where you can grab a free template to help you get started. Even though the example that we give in the blog post is for a chiropractic bio, even if you're not a chiropractor, this template can still work for you. Just tweak it to fit your specific profession or field. I get it. Not all of us were born professional writers. Writing a professional bio can sometimes feel overwhelming, but it's one of the most important parts of your website. Why? Because in a competitive field like healthcare, your bio helps patients decide why they should choose you. Your bio tells your story, who you are, what you've achieved, and what makes you different. And it's important to note that your bio isn't just your CV or resume posted or pasted onto a page. A well-crafted bio creates trust, connection, and a sense of familiarity, all before a potential patient even steps into your clinic. So, how can you make yours more effective? Let's start with where your bio should live. Most often, it'll be on your About Me or About Us page of your website. Use this space to showcase your education, career history, certifications, and even personal insights, like why you went into the profession you did. On our website, we have a great blog post on what else you should include on your About Us page. You can find that by visiting propelyourcompany.com/your-about-us-page. But don't stop there. If you have a team, you want to make sure that you also give each team member an opportunity to add their own bio. It doesn't have to be long. It not only adds unique content to your website, but also helps strengthen your SEO strategy. Now let's dig into some specifics. Here are some questions to guide you through your writing. Why did you become a chiropractor or get into your respective field? What's your educational background? What special trainings or certificates set you apart? Do you have any community involvement or unique interest? Answering these questions will help potential patients connect with you and see why you're the right fit for them. And here is the exciting part. You do not have to start from scratch. We've created a chiropractic bio template to guide you step by step. It's easy to customize, and it ensures your bio includes all the right elements to showcase your unique personality. As I mentioned earlier, even if you are not a chiropractor, this template can still work for you. Just tweak it to fit your specific profession or field. You can grab the template by visiting propelyourcompany.com/chiropractic-bio-website-template. Again, that is propelyourcompany.com/chiropractic-bio-website-template. And if that's all a little confusing to you, it is also going to be in the show notes and linked as the episode webpage. Grab it and start crafting your professional bio today. You don't even have to download it. And you can always go to our website, propelyourcompany.com, and scroll to the bottom to do a search for any topic that you hear us talk about on this website, on this podcast. And you can sign up to get this podcast delivered to you to your inbox weekly. That way you'll have all the links you need to get started. And once you've taken the time to refine your bio, be sure to update it on LinkedIn and other online listings that you have. And if you want to take your About Us page to the next level, also check out the blog post on our website, doing an About page, and what do I put on it, which you can find by visiting propelyourcompany.com/your-about-us-page. Remember, your bio doesn't have to be complicated. It just needs to connect with your audience. Highlight your passion for chiropractic care or whatever industry you're in. Share your unique journey. And don't forget to include a call to action to invite patients to visit or contact you. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your colleagues. And as always, if you need more help with your SEO and digital marketing strategy, reach out to us at propelyourcompany.com.
Thanks for tuning in to today's episode. Before you go, I've got something exciting to share. If you're ready to rank higher on Google and attract more patients, you're invited to a free workshop designed to help you dominate the first page of Google without spending a dime on ads. In this workshop, you'll learn proven SEO strategies to attract new patients, how to optimize your Google business profile for local search dominance, and the number one thing you can do today to boost your website performance in just 10 minutes. Plus, you'll receive a patient-centered SEO action plan, a free step-by-step guide to help you take action right away. Don't let your website fade into the background. Sign up now at propelyourcompany.com/learn. Again, that's propelyourcompany.com/learn. Spots are limited, so grab your seat today.